Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we share with you 3 easy fall decor ideas for your American Girl doll house. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! First up, an easy pumpkin garland, perfect for the fireplace mantle or as wall decor. For this, you will need cardstock in orange shades and green. Begin by cutting many 1 centimeter wide strips of your cardstock. Trim your light orange strips to 6 centimeters in length, the darker strips at 9 centimeters and your green strips 4.5 centimeters long. For adhesive, we will use double-sided tape. Place some tape at the end of your orange strip. Turn it over and put more tape on the opposite end. Cut away any excess. It should look like this. Repeat for all the orange strips. Pre-bend your green cardstock 2 centimeters from each end. Use a brad punch to make a hole on either side of the crease lines. Then adhere the sides together to make the pumpkin stem. For the inner pumpkin ring, take your light orange strip and wrap around a thick marker. We used a Posca pen. Make 2 rings per pumpkin. For the bigger outer ring, use a larger bottle to wrap the dark orange cardstock around. Again, make 2 of these. Put double-sided tape over the join on the outside of the rings. Glue your smaller circle inside the bigger one. Put more adhesive to attach the stem. Then connect your second set of circles to complete the pumpkin, pinching firmly to secure the tape. Repeat to make more pumpkins. We did 6. Here we have brown yarn to string up our pumpkins. Cut a long length, loop and knot one end. Take the tail end and coat with liquid glue to stiffen the wool and make it easier to thread. Pass the wool through the holes we punched in the pumpkin stem. Make a knot on either side of the stem to keep the ornament in place on the garland. Leave about 5 centimeters of string, then repeat the knot, thread, knot process for your next pumpkin. Keep going till you have strung them all, then tie another loop to finish off. Next up, we have a simple but cute doormat that's double-sided. For the top side, we are going to use brown felt, and for underneath, purple fun foam that already has adhesive. Cut a rectangle of each material. On the felt, we painted welcome in scroll text with a pumpkin for the O as a nod to the autumn season. The reverse purple side will have a Halloween image. On a scrap of black glitter fun foam, sketch the outline of a witch's hat. Then cut it out. Glue it to the center of your purple rectangle. To draw perfect stars, we took a 5-petal flower punch and made a template on paperboard. Position the template to color inside the shape with black marker. You can also switch up the color and add purple stars with a purple marker. For some shine, we took a silver pen and added dots throughout the background. Next, peel off the adhesive protector sheet. Align your felt mat with good side facing up and press firmly together. Your dolls now have a festive doormat for both fall and Halloween. Our third craft is a fun floral wall art. Cut a paperboard rectangle for the base. With liquid glue, attach regular sized popsicle sticks horizontally onto the paperboard. For us, it took 14 sticks. Once the glue has dried, paint the sticks white. Here we used a cheap dollar store brand. The texture is not as thick, giving the wood a whitewashed look. Next, we Google searched how to draw a canning jar. Then drew this in pencil on the lower half of the wall art. When you are satisfied with your image, go over it in black pencil or marker. Inside the jar, we wrote, "Hello Fall." These paper flowers are from our stash, but you can find similar ones at your local craft or haberdashery shops. Clip off any excess wire stem, then hot glue your smaller flowers to the rim of the canning jar. Next, we added these white buds to each side, then added larger pink blooms to the center. We glued small, darker purple buds into the gaps to even up the bouquet. For a fancy finish, we took bronze foil cardstock and cut a thin frame to glue around our floral image. Take leftover wire from the paper flower stems and twist them together. Bend to make a U shape as seen on screen. Hot glue to the top center of the paperboard to make a hook to hang your wall art. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and turned on the bell so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!